This video will address a critical step when installing an LCD keypad on a KEB D, E, G, and H housing F5 drive. Improper installation of the keypad can cause intermittent errors and operational issues. If you take a look at the slot where the keypad sits, you'll notice a communication port and a space for the keypad to securely clip into the drive. Now, take the KEB LCD keypad. When placing the keypad onto the drive, slide the bottom end of the keypad into the groove at the bottom of the keypad slot. Then push the top of the keypad into place. You may need to use your finger to push up on the tab at the top of the keypad until you hear an audible click, like this. When you hear this click, you know the keypad is securely in place and will not lose connection with the drive. If the keypad is not properly seated with the audible click when pushing up on the tab, vibrations could cause the keypad to lose proper connection to the drive and start producing undesired errors. Thank you for using KEB products and have a great day.